World cultures. Main idea. The ways people speak, eat, work, play, and worship are all part of culture. A Japanese tea ceremony is an old tradition. The host greets the guests and prepares the tea. The guests remain silent. Once the tea is poured, though, a lively conversation follows. Expressions of culture. The tea ceremony is an important part of Japan's culture. Culture is how people in a region live, behave, and think. Expressions of culture include language, religion, beliefs, and customs. Culture also includes the arts such as music, dance, literature, theater, and film. Culture is reflected in symbols that people recognize and respect. A symbol is an object that stands for something else. For example, the stars on the American flag are symbols for the 50 states. Civilization and culture. Culture is a main trait of civilizations. A civilization is a society that has a highly developed culture and technology. People in a civilization are not born knowing their culture. They learn it by watching and imitating others. A civilization's culture affects people's lives. It guides how people meet their basic needs of food, clothing, and shelter. It also influences people's values and beliefs. Culture regions. Geographers study culture regions, areas that are unified by common cultural traits or characteristics. For instance, some geographers group Mexico, Central America, the islands of the Caribbean, and South America in a culture region called Latin America. Many of the people in this region speak Spanish or Portuguese and practice the Roman Catholic religion. Many also share a history of Spanish colonization.